In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money to your Ladbrokes account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so go ahead and open up your Ladbrokes app on your mobile device as you normally would. You'll be brought to the home page here of Ladbrokes. Now from here, we want to click onto more. It's a little soccer ball icon, bottom right hand corner of the page. And then scroll up or scroll down, and we need to find where it says deposit. So go ahead and click on deposit. And now we've got a few different ways how to deposit money. So as it says here, fast, secure payments. Deposits are now faster with Ladbrokes. Try Pay ID today so your funds are instantly available in your Ladbrokes account. So we've got a few different instant deposit options. We got for debit cards, you got Visa, MasterCard, you got Pay ID, PayPal, and even Google Pay. And you can do a 1 to 3 day deposit by a bank transfer or BPay as well. So go ahead and click on any one of these options to deposit money. So if we want to deposit money using your debit card, go ahead and click on debit card. And now I'll bring you up to the debit card form. So let's give it a few moments to load. So from here, put in your card number, your card holder name. Your card must be registered in the account holder's name, by the way. So you can't use someone else's card. It needs to be your card who signed up to Ladbrokes. So put in the month, years, the CVV number here, and then the minimum deposit amount is $5. So you can do 10, 25, 50, 100, $500. So if I want to do 50, I'll just add 50. Fill this out and click on add card.